welcome to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing this bag that I got for my Mac, and I got it in the gray ash color. Is called High Suo, and I got it from Amazon. This is nice with a gold finish and it's quite lovely. It comes in different colors, you know, you have it in pink, blue, but I got, like I said, the gray one, and there's an accessory pouch as well that comes with it. It goes in, I think this is about 20 pounds plus. Slice in your laptop, push it down, and automatically it stays closed. You can put all your chargers and different things, or even your phone in there, and then slot it into your work bag. This also, I think you can use this bag also for your Samsung. I've got the Samsung Galaxy S, the new the first series of Samsung mobile laptop, and this also goes inside this perfectly well. So you just slip it in, close it, and you're good to go. The only disadvantage of this one is that you need to have it in maybe a briefcase or a handbag, because it has no handles or any sling to carry it, unlike the other one that I got for my partner that has something that you can use to carry it around, and it has also like a sling that you can clip on and carry it like a backpack. So they're both good, but I prefer this one because I usually carry, you know, large work handbags and briefcase, and this is for the Samsung, which is my partner's, and this is quite good. Like I said, this one earlier on, it has all the compartment that you can put your chargers in, whereas this one come with a separate one that you can put your chargers and different things in. I hope you enjoyed the review of the pouch for laptop. This one can hold laptop up to 13, and this one can hold up to 14 inches. I'll put the link for both at the bottom of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.